first encounter didn't go as we would have liked it to do, that those 9 deaths were a tragedy, and we wanted to do that because in looking back properly to your past and addressing your past, in doing so you're able to then look more to the future.
I think it's important for us as Rongowhakaata because it sets us, firstly acknowledges the death of the 9 tipuna, which really until today that hasn't been expressed in a formal capacity by any representation of Crown or government. So that's the first thing. But it sets a platform for us to start moving towards a pathway that's truly a dual heritage. The expression of regret was said with a lot of empathy and was very sincere, and I was quite moved by it. And I thought that there'd be a lot of tipuna in that whare and surrounding us who would be quite impressed.
He mea whakahirahira tēnei, no te mea ko tēnei, te mea tuatahi no ngā iwi takitaki uri noa ki te ao. Nā reira miharo.
My grandparents and my great-grandparents and my aunties and uncles would have been proud of what happened here today. We just move on and look to the future for our children, but teach our children the right stories.